Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can change the outfit of your Sims when it's been saved. So you can either select like a dresser, so I'll just go to the second floor here and select a dresser. Then you're going to select plan outfits, and it's going to bring you to this page. You can do this, or you can either go to manage worlds. Let me just save that. You can go here, you can go to manage worlds. Just go to manage worlds here. And you can press the household that your sim is in. Select the manage household and then select edit. And it will bring you back to the same place. You can change your outfits, and you can also change the hair and stuff like that as well. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.